what was the secret sauce that made your brand stand out?
I think the idea of making saris a regular wear was not there. Like you see, we are wearing sneakers, a sari, a blouse that doesn't match maybe. You would not say that, oh, I would pick this a perfect pair. No, nothing is perfect, and I think we wanted to celebrate that. People say that I will be great at home because I'm supposed to be, and I'll prove myself at workplace and I'll achieve 1,000 things. But I think somewhere down the line, you know that you have to take time out for yourself, you have to work out, you have to go to a spa maybe, or go meet friends, have a drink. I think those things sometimes we forget.
Welcome to Voices for Local. साड़ी बस कपड़ा नहीं होता, एक कहानी होती है. माँ की अलमारी की खुशबू, दादी के हाथों की सिलाई, पहली शादी का जोड़ा या फिर जॉब का आउटफिट. सॉफ्ट जैसे स्किन और धागों में पीढ़ियों का प्यार. और इसी इमोशन को ब्रांड बनाया सू और तारा ने, यानी सुजाता और तान्या ने. They turned childhood memories and a passion for handlooms into a label that supports 17,000 artisans and celebrates timeless style. It's my pleasure to welcome Sujata and Tanya on Voices for Local back again.
Back again, that's right.
Yes.
So happy to be here, yeah.
Yeah, the memories are fresh and I'm so happy to be back.
You know, when you guys started out, and that's when we first did our show, हमारा भी season 1 था, हम भी नए थे और आप भी नए थे, okay? And you guys were starting out, guys were telling me all about your stories during COVID, okay? And how you started. And from there, today, you have stores, physical stores across India. So just give me a gist of how it started, where, and where are we today?
Yeah, it feels like yesterday though, when we spoke. But I think we take every day as is, you know. Then we are focused on the next day, and we are not people who think that इस year end के बाद इतने तो होने ही चाहिए stores, the revenue should be this. Of course, the AOP is there, proper planning is there, but that doesn't drive us. What drives us is that whether we are able to give people constant work or not, and the number of weavers that we are working with, which is 17,000, is that a stable unit? Is that a family? But yeah, it's a long journey.
Yeah.
And
so starting from, I think for people who haven't seen our first episode, don't know us. So we started, just the two of us started it from our own house, and then we moved to a small garage, a little garage with like a shutter. And then we just had two weavers who agreed to work with us because nobody was agreeing to work with us, and one employee. And then we kept growing, and there was an episode in COVID though when we actually grew 3 times in COVID.
Correct.
So that was the biggest jump in our growth, and also that was the time which made us realize that as a business you cannot stay small. Growth is inevitable, and I have a responsibility to grow and also grow the community. So that was the realization. Post that, it took us many years to realize that, you know, just depending on one revenue stream, which was just online, we were an online first brand.
Correct.
To just stay there is something that is scary because everything depends on then one channel. So we moved to the retail, the offline route. Offline was something that was very scary for us, but when we started our Bangalore store first, we saw the response was crazy, phenomenal.
Okay.
And then slowly, one after the other, and now we have 17 stores, and 18th is coming up.
City we saw is like, oh, it's a beautiful city. Why not have our presence there? And we don't jump just like that. Though we are big risk takers, we don't. We just ask each other, and that's who you know. This is the two of us taking calls. Do you think we should do this? And she's like, yes. I'm like, oh yes, let's go ahead and do it. But before that, we do some events. We meet people over there. We do pop-ups, and we
थोड़ा
see
market research करते हो.
yeah, just like some sentiment analysis there. Just being present there with your products, you just see the love. You see people recognizing your products and also saying that thank you for coming here to our city. You know, that's a huge deal. Who thanks a brand for coming to the city? So we got that response, and we knew that the offline presence has to be there.
So if anybody is doing a startup brand, what's the kind of investment they need in a business?
Depends on the kind of product that you're making. Ours was a low investment product itself, right? It doesn't have to be a full tech stack and, you know, a proper website which has to be running very fast. It doesn't need all of that, and there are so many softwares available. The ecosystem is developed enough that you don't need such a big amount to start with to have a page, and and even social media is a free tool, though it has its own pros and cons and weights and everything, so money attached to it indirectly. Even if you have few lakhs, you can start a business. And if you have the grit and you have the knowledge to figure out if the product is cracking, like a solution for a customer or delivering something that the customers didn't find for a great value, you will just sail through. And post which comes, of course, growth and scaling and everything, that will need money. But to begin with, you don't need as much capital.
You don't need a high value
You don't need as much
right?
capital. Yeah.
And also when you show the model, when you show your P&L to investors, and if it's a great idea, the product is a hit, you get investment. So
That's true.
So a lot of brands have taken that route, though we haven't. But that's again a solution that is available out there. So if you want to start up, you can.
So,
Great idea.
both of you chose saris to start with. And saris is something that is deeply rooted in Indian culture, right? But it's also cluttered market. There are many brands that sell saris, right? Some traditional, some modern. So what did you guys bring out that cut the clutter and your brand stood out? Was it a marketing strategy? Was it a clever product? What was it? Was it the pricing? What was the secret sauce that made your brand stand out?
I think the idea of making saris a regular wear was not there. So our idea, the more than the product, it was the idea which we cracked that regular girls like us, youngsters, when we were below 30, both of us, when we started, right? We just entering 30s, and we realized if we wanted to enter a sari shop and buy a product for me, I wouldn't be as happy. Talking about back then. Now there are many brands who are offering this solution, and I proudly say that we are the market leaders in this,
right,
because nobody was doing it when we were doing it. So when we found that gap, and it was a massive gap because in none of the cities had this, right? When we started in Bombay, we didn't find in Bombay. Calcutta, we went to Calcutta. There were barely any shops which said with like pride, oh, I will provide with some saris for youngsters. And at a price bracket which is of course affordable for youngsters.
Because people are just starting out.
So
Pehli naukri, pehli sari.
Correct, and everything fell in place. So pricing has to be right, comfortable has to be top notch, absolutely, and something that will stay for long. Because as a youngster, if you're investing, it should stay for last for long.
Quality.
So quality has to be impeccable. So just a couple of things.
And
simplicity is something that we focused on, like making the product affordable and absolutely simple, so that it's achievable, keeping it the girl next door look when you can wear it with shoes and just run out in the market. So that was it. The idea was that, and then everything else was like
I think the
it.
marketing and the storytelling also plays a major role in what we achieved. In terms of storytelling, we wanted regular face, a regular wear, not a very proper pinned up look. That's what we wanted to achieve, that easy simplicity that she's talking about, and we did that very happily. Like you see, we are wearing sneakers, a sari, a blouse that doesn't match maybe. You would not say that, oh, I would pick this a perfect pair. No, nothing is perfect, and I think we wanted to celebrate that. That's what caught people's attention. And
so make your own combinations, live your own style, but do it
fun.
through a sari. Have fun with the sari.
I think people forgot that over the years.
So what's the starting point when you said affordability was key? So today, what's the starting point of a Suta sari?
We start from 1800, 1900 rupees, and it goes up to, of course, a high range. We have Kanjivarams and all of that, Banarasis for 25, 30K.
Right.
But when we started, it was priced 1250. You remember that?
Yes.
So it was absolutely simple Malmal sari. 1250. GST came. We made it 1313. Just adding the GST.
Just adding the GST.
Yes. So that was when we started. We kept it a very sweet price point, and I remember girls were just saying, "Hey, we can buy this, and don't have to go to mom and ask." And this is a full sari. It was not like short sari. There was no quality compromise. Absolutely like a proper full sari which you can match, and we entered blouses there. We weren't trying to show people that you wear it with a jacket or a shirt or a blouse which is quirky, comfortable, and you don't have to look like a traditional sari wearing mom or an aunt, which you've seen always. You don't have to always comply by that norm. So we wanted to break that norm as well, because I knew my mom also had blouses which were very comfy. So I said we should all see that, because regularly it is not available. They knew where to go and tailor mein stitch kara ke pehen liya. So we said, why not us doing it and giving you a full plate, like a gamut solution is there. All our saris come with like fall and edging. We all do that because I said,
complete, कि बाद में fall नहीं कराना पड़े.
अभी खरीदो अभी पहन लो.
अभी पहनो, बिल्कुल.
Like no hassle.
And now you guys are not just sticking to saris. You guys are doing multiple things, from corsets to so many things.
Yeah.
Where is the time coming from, since both of you are doing pop-ups, opening stores, managing the back end? What is the typical day like?
There are many Suantas in Suta.
That's
there
the
are
right
a lot of entrepreneurs in the company who run the company like their own. And they have huge ownership. So though we are looking like the face of the brand, but there are so many people who believe in this idea, who run like we run, and that's how Suta is Suta.
So I think that means you both are very fortunate to have
We have
found a
been
great
fortunate.
team
Yes.
to actually be your strong support system.
But I think one thing that has helped us, I'm saying mentally what we have done, tuned ourselves or maybe just become better at, is being present at wherever, whatever we are doing, just being present there. Because we have kids, right? And the way we're traveling, we just get maybe a couple of hours with them a day.
Right.
So even that, we just make sure family time, if it's even an hour or two,
It's
we are just
quality
present.
time. You're
We are
present
just
in the
present.
moment.
Yeah, everywhere, even now.
Yeah. No, I think that is a very important takeaway for anybody.
Yeah,
Any
anybody.
professional person.
True.
Could be a man, woman, anybody. But if you're present in the moment, the task is done and you move to the next.
And it's done in a better way, like
Yeah,
a proper
I
way.
agree.
Otherwise, you are good at nothing. Then in the end, the full day has gone jumping around and nothing has come out of it.
Nothing
And
has
it has
come out of it.
It has
It's
happened to us.
happened, yeah.
There was a phase where we just couldn't do anything right. Everything was falling apart. But I realized that I could have just been there and finished that right.
And then move to the next.
Move to the next. I can
Correct.
see that very well that you are doing, because this is the fourth shoot you are doing, and commendable, really.
So yeah, even I've learned over the years to be in the moment, because otherwise I think working women can't juggle multiple things. It's impossible because we are conditioned to multitask. We are conditioned to manage work and home. Those are conditionings which I think we've kind of been molded into, right?
Yeah.
आप नहीं बोल सकते कि मैं घर इग्नोर कर दूंगी. ऐसा नहीं है कि सपोर्ट सिस्टम नहीं होता है, पर आप खुद भी नहीं बोल सकते हो. ये आपकी कंडीशनिंग है कहीं ना कहीं.
True, yeah. I've seen
And
people.
we're better at it also.
Yeah, I've seen people burn out and not raise hands and ask for help, which is also, I think, one thing that we should learn early
Yes.
on. That now that I'll go back home, I will not say I'll cook and eat dinner and feed you or anything. You know, you should say that, yeah, I'll get a cook. You know, we have to live like
Build
that.
your support
So,
system.
yeah, I think people say that I will be great at home because I'm supposed to be, and I'll prove myself at workplace and I'll achieve 1,000 things. But I think somewhere down the line, you know that you have to take time out for yourself, you have to work out, you have to go to a spa maybe, or go meet friends, have a drink. I think those things sometimes we forget.
I've seen people
And
also dropping
conditioning is-
balls.
Yeah.
When they don't manage, they drop ball and suddenly will just ghost you or vanish because they just couldn't manage it. You know, it's very scary. Like for us, imagine there are 17,000 weavers, then there are 300 employees of ours. If we just vanish one day and say, oh my God, I couldn't manage, and run away or
वो choice नहीं है.
choice नहीं है. And yeah,
But I also feel कहीं ना कहीं हमको भी as women सुपर वुमेन बनने की जरूरत नहीं है.
I hate that word. I
है
hate
ना,
that
हमको
word.
जरूरत नहीं है. हम नॉर्मल इंसान हैं, हम इंसान की तरह ट्रीट करो. हमें भी गरम खाना चाहिए जब हम काम करके आए पूरे दिन से. I'm like that only.
Very nice.
I mean, we don't need to. We are putting that pressure on ourselves.
Yeah.
You know, we don't need to. Acha, now these 17,000 weavers that must be spread all over India, because in India, every few miles, the styles change,
Yeah.
the fabric changes, the work changes, the karigari changes, right? कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हो और कितना ट्रैवल कर रहे हो इनको ढूंढने में, बिकॉज सम ऑफ द फैब्रिक, सम ऑफ द स्टाइल्स आर एक्चुअली अ डाइंग आर्ट एज वेल,
Yeah.
राइट? तो कितनी मेहनत जाती है बैक एंड करने में.
That's the core of the business. You know, that's the core of Suta. And luckily, touch wood, during pandemic, because there were a lot of weavers who were not getting the regular work, especially the brick and mortar stores closing down. They had nothing to look forward to, and they reached out to us. And that time we found the best karigars because they were idle and they were looking out on the internet. The kids were helping them, so we were present there. So we got a lot of people working for us that time. And now that they know the kind of culture that Suta has, there's a lot of word of mouth from one person to the other, that, you know, when you work there, there's a constant work supply, the kind of interaction that you have is great. So people approach us now. Though we have a great team who keeps traveling and going, you know,
Sourcing, finding new talent.
finding new talent and working with them.
Meeting
We
and
keep
just
doing
doing
that.
a QC before we even onboard them.
Correct.
I think the most important thing that worked for us is because it's digitally we are so strong as a nation. Everywhere network availability and people are just like so savvy nowadays. Photo bhejo aur wo ban ke aa jata hai. You know,
Correct.
that's become very easy for us. So most of the management happens digitally for us. Even the weavers community, and there are kids who are helping their parents, which is a brilliant thing because
Brilliant
they
thing,
see
yeah.
that there is money coming from somewhere. Earlier it would be looked down upon because there's no way you can,
you know, this is not money making. So people would just say, oh, let me become a mechanical engineer. Let me go become like a mechanic also. You know, leave in engineering or something. They'll become, oh, मैं कुछ ऐसा कर लेता हूँ जिससे कुछ तो regular income है, driver.
And also
So now
गांव से
they
बाहर
come
चला
back.
जाता हूँ.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Not live there anymore.
अच्छा,
you
पर
know.
मुझे एक बात बताओ, you know, often when I've interviewed real weavers and craftsmen, constantly I've heard, and across many interviews that I have done, weaver का बच्चा weaver नहीं बनना चाहता, कारीगर का बच्चा कारीगर नहीं बनना चाहता, because they feel there's no growth in it, there's no future in it. Are you still seeing the same thing, or when you interact, like you said, kids are helping the parents, so at least there are, like, you know, a sense of saying this is my family business, this
So
is
I'll
my
tell you what
generational
happens.
business.
Yeah. So this happened because what happens is, if there's no constant work, you make one beautiful piece. If it sells well enough, if it doesn't, you're dead. So that was the problem. Now what is happening is they can also do it as a business. For example, if you run looms, a person who's smart to interact with can have 5 looms under them.
Correct.
Employing other villagers, because in the village there is anyway not as much work, right? Apart from
बिल्कुल
farming.
बिल्कुल, and you don't have to then leave your village ना.
Correct.
वहीं पे
And they want to
job
stay.
employment मिल
And they
गई.
love staying.
love
right?
staying in the village.
system that the way it works is like 4 homes together, one compound, and the kids playing together.
Yes.
They're cooking and coming together and eating, and they have the looms. And they do not want to leave that setup and go to a factory and work. It's a beautiful setup. I think apart from all of this, they need respect.
Yes.
I mean, just the respect for the work they're doing.
Yeah, and if somebody can
that
pick
is
it
given-
up,
yeah.
and if let's say they can have like master weaver, they become a master weaver because they've woven for long, and then they employ new people to come to them, it becomes a business. And they also make money together as a unit. So those kind of people, what they're doing is their kids are coming back. So we were very happy to hear that
That
the
is
kids are
really
back.
nice.
Yeah.
Because, you know, then the tradition and the legacy moves forward. Otherwise, look at the amount of, you know, embroideries or the crafts that are now dying because there's nobody to take it forward. But आप लोगों ने एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी करी है. आपने आम लड़कियों को लेके, not celebs, every girl you've allowed her to become a Suta girl. Okay? And she's celebrating Suta on her Instagram. I think that was a brilliant strategy, brilliant marketing strategy.
UGC even before it existed.
Exactly.
Yeah, we used to do that from the start, and later got to know the terms. And
Later that became popular. Even EGC, the employee generated content.
Correct.
We were doing that even well before it just happened to be a buzzword. So I think that made our brand more relatable, and more people started reaching out to us. Now it is like a thing, UGC. All brands are getting into reaching out to customers.
but that's a beautiful
It's
thing,
a
you
very
know.
nice
I
thing
just
to do.
think that it has to be relatable, because I relate to so many of the customers sending me pictures, and I
Correct.
say, "Wow, you have draped it so beautifully. Wow, you have paired it so beautifully. I'll also try." You know, it's just inspiring each other, and we are all queens in our own stories, right? And just celebrating that bit and just giving them the space, because if you have the visibility, if you can give that to people, it's just so amazing, and I think we all grow together then. It's like
That's
a
true.
win-win.
And also, if you go and say that I like this brand versus, let's say, it's an actress going and saying on TV, you would know that that's paid for. This is not paid for because you're
Right.
genuinely telling your friends. So there's nothing better than a word of mouth publicity.
No, I think the best marketing in the world is word of mouth.
Yeah.
And if somebody genuinely wears your product and puts it out because they're really appreciating it. And actually the chances are कि उसको free में product मिला भी नहीं है marketing करने के लिए, उसने खरीदा है. And then after buying it, she's choosing to promote it.
Yeah, they're ambassadors genuinely. Yeah.
Yeah, people have worn it for their weddings. And that gives me goosebumps, saying that we used to say that, you know, if you're not comfortable and in your own skin, in your special days, then how did you celebrate? In my wedding, they put so much of makeup and pinned me up so much. And I was like, could
You
I
were like
just
a doll. You were
come
not
out
yourself.
of it,
हाँ.
come out of it, wear something where I'm
Because you
like
always
flying
think in
and
that.
beautiful.
कब साड़ी फेंकूं इसको मैं निकलूं बाहर, you know?
Yeah, and if we're wearing this, I would have enjoyed that moment so much more. And people are doing that. People are accepting it, doing that. I think this culture change is so beautiful to see, and I'm proud and happy seeing people doing that.
You know, sometimes as basic as word of mouth, like we spoke about, right? So even if as basic as गलती से किसी ने पिंक साड़ी ऑर्डर करी और आपने गलती से कुछ गलत साड़ी उनको भेज दी, that little small goof up can cost you havoc, because today people have word of mouth, people have social media to post it on, right?
they
So
can,
the good and the bad of social media exists. So you have to be so much precise on your toes, making sure every experience is good. That requires a lot of manpower management, tech management, lot of backend, and like
Just
you
to
said,
plan, you know, what
just
goes to
planning.
which store.
And
Yeah.
yeah, honestly, people are very easily when they say that, "Arey, when you guys are small, it was, you know, you took care of all these small things. Now you have grown up, you don't care about it." It's what I've heard. People complain about a lot of brands, which hasn't happened to us because our customer support has stayed very, very strong.
Strong.
And we give them utmost importance. Like each and every order or a feedback that we receive,
मतलब बुरा
it is
लगा ना,
taken
मेरे
care
को
of.
बुरा लगा, साड़ी पसंद नहीं आई, इवन इफ रिटर्न पॉलिसी गया है, हम कभी कभी बोलते हैं ले लेते हैं भाई, मतलब rather than surviving the relationship because the customer
Yes.
has been with us for so long, I'm
Yes.
like, just do it.
Yes.
Because it will not cost us anything. We could
And
have,
just to
we can
keep
earn
that
that 2,000,
3K,
3,000 bucks.
yeah.
But that customer will go away, will be a lifetime lakhs, you know, of money. So just that focus is there in the customer support team, and the customer support is actually literally looking at the customers whenever they should win.
Yeah, and we get great feedbacks in terms of, oh, why don't you make a profession sari, like a lawyer sari, because we keep wearing a sari, or a teacher sari for us. And then you know, lot of these great insights come from people, and we take it as is, and we make it. We love listening to people, and I think that when scale comes, you forget to be frugal again. You forget to listen, and you think that, oh, at scale, do you think I can sell 400 of these saris? No, let's drop it. We don't do that. We want to stay the way we have stayed, very organic growth. And honestly, the kind of conversations we are having, like very honest, out there, we don't even rethink what we are saying. This also helps people see that, oh, there are two real people doing this.
Correct.
And even if they send that yellow sari instead of the pink sari,
We'll forgive them.
we'll forgive them,
forgive them.
and it's okay.
पर ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि कस्टमर्स ने बोला हो कि मुझे यही साड़ी, आप क्यों नहीं ये साड़ी, फॉर एग्जांपल मलमल की साड़ीज इंट्रोड्यूस करते, या कोटा की साड़ीज इंट्रोड्यूस करते, या सिर्फ यही कॉम्बिनेशन में साड़ी चाहिए ना आपने सोच के एक्चुअली बना दिया हो?
So our bestseller is beaten turnip. That sari is maroon and there's a beige color. Okay, it's a dark goldenish beige. We never used to do maroon because this is not our personal favorite. But we just heard the customer constantly asking maroon, maroon, maroon. और हम ब्रेकफास्ट पे बैठ के यान आए थे बहुत सारे, हम मैच करके देख रहे थे. ताने ने कहा याद है मरून बोला था, मैंने कहा ये तो अच्छा दिख रहा है, गोल्ड और ये साथ में. We made it win. I'm talking long back. Still is the best seller.
Wow.
We've been running it like crazy. It's number one. Though there are no new number one, number two created, but that is still on the third, fourth list. And I'm talking about 5 years back we created the design.
And that was after listening to a customer.
Because we listened, yeah.
Yes.
Otherwise we would have just not done because अपना favorite नहीं है, designers का favorite नहीं है. Also, lot of things like ये type के blouse में deep neck मत बनाओ. Simple queries that customers are saying. Just listen and make another version. Automatically sale of that whole category of blouses increased.
अच्छा, easy क्या है, ऑनलाइन कि ऑफलाइन?
See, I think abhi we can say online because 9 साल से कर रहे हैं online, right? So we have been at it. So we know what works, what doesn't. Okay, of course, things keep changing. You have to pivot, change. But retail on its own is like a very new thing for us. It's like a new baby we are growing.
Actually 2 साल ही हुए हम लोग को पूरा proper retail.
See, मेरे हिसाब से ना क्या होता है, जब ऑनलाइन करते हैं तो ठीक है, you know, एक कॉस्ट कम होती है बिकॉज अपने किसी चीज़ का रेंट नहीं देना, कुछ नहीं करना, राइट?
नहीं बहुत कॉस्ट है.
No, but at the same time, for me, the biggest problem is, you know, you're not interacting with the customer one-on-one.
Yeah.
That is what a retail store gives you. That interaction कि उसने
Huge
पिंक
insights.
साड़ी उठाई तो उसको पसंद होगी, उसको ब्लू साड़ी अच्छी थी, उसने ये फैब्रिक नहीं उठाया, वो अपनी माँ को लेके आई थी साथ में, so the mother was the influencer. You actually get a lot of customer insights in retail, much more than what you get when it's just an online brand.
I agree. Our product, kind of product we launch has changed drastically after we have retail stores. Earlier we used to not get as much as you know, insights, even if there was social media telling us things. But that kind of insights in people का face read कर सको, देख सको, ऐसा नहीं पकड़, वो एरिया में जा ही नहीं रहे. We stop making things, you know, because we thought कि वो बिक रहा होगा करके करेंगे. And completely different online sales numbers to offline. मतलब ये अगर offline में बिकता है, वो not necessarily online में बिकेगा. So that's also something that we realized, that it's so different. What is visible, the way it sells, it's very different from what is online. But I agree with Tanya's point. Online is not as scary. Offline can get scary because there are so much fixed cost involved.
Yeah.
You know, this variable is very
Correct.
less. So you have to do well. And one rain or one maybe political campaign or something. Anything. Something happens. Sentiments. The store day is gone, and a day gone is literally business
Literally
gone.
business
So,
gone. Yeah. अच्छा, दोनों ने बहुत अच्छे से ये साड़ी अपनी प्रमोट करके बट एट द सेम टाइम पूरा स्नीकर लुक किया हुआ है. ओके, I mean, I think this is so cool because you're actually making the sari look like an everyday cool daily wear, which I think is brilliant. Every day you girls are in saris?
3 to 4 days a week we are in saris.
Huh.
We
Yeah.
love wearing them, and the sneaker is not to make it look cool or anything. It's just that I can't do non-comfort, and and sneakers are my best friends. I think every girl's best friend is a sneaker. We wear it, and people have started saying that बहुत अच्छा क्या तुमने ये पहना, तुमको देख के मैं बोलूँगी यही स्टाइल है तो मैं भी पहनूंगी. And then it just it's like fashion now, not that अरे मेरे को heels नहीं पहनने को मन किया.
It's also changed the classic way of draping a sari.
It does, yeah.
Because you don't have to, otherwise the
Heels ही
sari.
बोलते हैं ना पहले कि
हाँ,
heels होना ही
heels ही.
चाहिए.
And also sari should be touching the floor.
Yeah.
Right? It was always key your feet
Yeah.
should not be seen. And now people actually wear
Wear
it
it short.
2 inches up so that the footwear is seen. It's comfortable even if it's a sneaker
Yeah,
or
it
a
doesn't get
jutti.
dirty.
It doesn't get dirty. More than that, it's comfort.
Yeah.
Like you said, comfort wear.
Yeah.
People also talk about short hair and saris. Like you already are wearing short hair and you're wearing a sari, but that concept was not there. Saris were always supposed to be long hair, you know, nicely
I think
tied.
the biggest brand ambassador of short hair and saris was Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi. Yeah.
It doesn't get bigger than that,
yeah.
right?
Very
It
true.
does, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, people spoke a lot about that you know, unruly and sari, they don't go together. You have to be proper, prim and proper.
Yes.
Everything should be pinned up and everything should be perfect. We wanted that to completely shatter.
Change. Yeah.
Perfect is very scary. I think I run away when I hear perfect. So thank God you didn't say perfectly wearing a sari, but yeah, coolly wearing a sari.
अच्छा, now both of you working together, 2 sisters, conflict तो होता होगा, झगड़े भी होते होंगे. कैसे resolve करते हो?
तुरंत करते हैं अभी तो मतलब आई थिंक बुढ़े हो गए ये कर करके तो ये सो लाइक वी एट इट बिकॉज यू नो डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन इज देयर एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट एंड देन समटाइम्स ईगो कम्स फ्रॉम द एल्डर सिस्टर सुना कैसे नहीं मेरी बात यू नो दैट तो कम्स इन
Yeah, with me also it comes in a lot.
but we drop it within 5 minutes. I'm not exaggerating. Within seconds, we just look at each other. We both know that
5 minutes is just too long.
it's too long. That's why we just look at each other and then we just know, you know, usko lag
That
jata
it
hai ki
needs
haan,
to
ho gaya,
resolve.
bas khatam.
हाँ.
And we just drop it, move to the next topic, and it just ends like that. And पहले हम लोग का रूल था घर पे कि you can't take the fight to bed and all of that. So, but we also live together in case, yeah, you must be wondering what happened. Yeah, so we eat together and we come back home. We talk about work, but that fight doesn't come back. You know, never ever drags for even more than 3-4 minutes.
अच्छा, आप दोनों के पास individually कितनी साड़ीज हैं?
Oh, we're not big
We have a
hoarders.
common sari wardrobe.
Common sari wardrobe, and also there's this whole Suta sample room which we have, right, where there are defect first samples made, or you know things like the first piece which will keep as QC check. तो वो तो उठा के पहन नहीं सकते, वो टीम वाले भी उठा के वहीं से जाते हैं, वो रूम है एक हम लोग का, वो गार्डन है हम लोग का, so literally go and pick things from there and we can return it back because people will have just need it for checking the color if it's the same color as the new unit that production unit has come out with. So yeah, that's our
That's
Okay,
our
now
wardrobe.
3 things that you guys say we will not leave the house without.
Sunscreen, breakfast,
Okay.
water bottle.
Okay.
Oh yeah, phone is my first. Second would be my diary. Third would be, I think I carry a comfortable footwear.
Okay, which is your all-time favorite sari? On सूता
Malmal.
साड़ी. अब अपनी मम्मी या दादी की नहीं बताना, सूता की बताना.
Mine
Favorite
is
साड़ी.
favorite malmal, which is the plain this color.
Okay.
Ink blue mal.
Yeah, I was
Raw ink mal.
Sorry, raw ink
Raw ink mal. Mine is raw ink mal.
Mine is also a mal for sure. Barfi.
That
It's
is
a
the white.
plain white with tassel. That's our first
sari.
Suta sari
That was
we
the number
made
one.
and
Like
launched.
just the first design. If me and Tanya drew, we said make it off white, just put tassels. And like, madam, ये क्या है?
हाँ, आप
print
उसको
कराओगे?
embroidery कराओगे, print
हमने कहा
कराओगे.
नहीं
कुछ
भाई
नहीं.
सिंपल में
Simple.
जाओ ना सोचते ही नहीं ना मतलब people are like कुछ तो डालो.
We have sold how many of those? I think we should get the number out. It's just beautiful.
Now tell me, what is the larger vision for सूता? कहाँ तक सपना है और कहाँ तक लेके जाना है?
I think it's if you ask Suta का capacity कितना, I think it can easily become a 500 crore company. Yeah, I think it could be even if it takes us 7-8 more years. But I think that is very easily achievable. And even if I want Suta to be a legacy brand known for its ethics and the way we work, to be known as an honest brand. You know, some brands which you just trust, like Tata's,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, you
legacy.
should keep talking about it with pride and you know a lot of love in your heart.
People
Just
who have been
proud of-
associated with Suta should
Yeah.
just be proud that they have you know, they've worked with it, and the whole vision of actually impacting lives should always be alive. So they should also feel, like, even customers, if they are feeling so happy to be a part, they're saying, oh, I'm a part of your community because I also support the weavers. You know, that's the feeling that should be carried along even many years later. I should not stay away from it. They will never go away from it or sway away.
So I think just to make this company grow sustainably, making sure it holds its ethics and mission in place and not deviating from that while the growth happens. With scale comes a lot of responsibility. So we want to just stay the way we are and grow stably and be profitable. So I think very basic wants.
Very basic ones, but they're very, very hard.
Yeah,
to
but I
achieve.
think we'll keep increasing the number every year on year. The growth has to be there, otherwise there's no
Correct.
point.
Incremental growth has to come in, yes.
Yeah, so we'll stay at it. We'll do it.
But I think you girls are doing so well, and I can't but dil se I want to wish you all the best. You both are lovely, and you know you've really become game changers where a sari is concerned. So I really hope that you manage to create and fulfill all the dreams. Thank you so much for choosing to be a part of Voices for Local.
Thank you so much for having us, and again listening to our story, telling it to the world, and it means a lot. Thank you.
Yeah, and Voices for Local is the place to be in. Like it's the name itself says it.
Yeah,
and
it is so
yeah.
important that you're doing it. So happy.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.